Wish I had some sort of Titanic music,
Well,
and I'm not playing.
Come on.
I'm not playing Celine.
They didn't play it at this because, yeah. But man,
I
they
feel
did
like-
have cool old school music at Titanic, an immersive voyage.
I feel like you're living my life that I lived like 15 years ago because I did the same thing. I was so into it. I took my kids to the Titanic exhibit, and it is so fascinating.
Right. And this is a different take on that. Okay. If you don't know, just to get you all caught up here, my 7-year-old son is.
Oh, I thought you were going to start with the ship.
Yeah. So there's a ship.
1912, there was a ship.
Yep. Okay. So he's obsessed. Even his birthday party theme, he had his little captain hat and Titanic expert shirt on and a Titanic cake. Like he watches documentaries like a little old man, like crazy. He loves it. So when I heard this was coming to town, I'm like, this is perfect. So we got to go get a little sneak peek of the Titanic, an immersive voyage. And it is so neat, you guys. It is in Minneapolis. Get your tickets now. You're not going to want to miss it. The moment you walk in, you get all the feels. Oh God, the song. And I'm going to share all of my pictures and the little intros and stuff that like Crisco was there with us. River really fancies himself. I don't know, maybe a TV star or something.
That's awesome.
So you get there and you can do the pose like where Jack and Rose stand and they say,
Oh, they added the movie into it? This is cool.
It's just that look. And then it feels like you're standing on the front of the ship. It's really neat. You go through, they have actual little teacups. There's a chair that was on Titanic. You get to see towels, pictures, letters. And then this is just different from some of them because you're reading stories of people who are on there. And there's a cool direct connection to people who are on their way to Minneapolis.
Yeah, you brought that up yesterday. I think that is so cool that they localize it.
It is. I've not seen anything like that before. So yeah, then there was 3 people highlighted in what I was reading that were on their way here. 2 men who did not make it. They perished. They perished. But then there's 1 woman who did make it and moved here and lived here and started a new life here. So that just was so cool. There's this room you go in because it's in a warehouse. So from the outside, you're like, what? But it's just amazing what you can do with technology these days. The grand staircase in the movie that you see, and obviously on the real ship, you can like walk halfway up it. I mean, you'll have to see these videos and you want to see it for yourself for sure. Titanic, an immersive voyage. So you go into this room and there's screens everywhere and you actually get to like sit on one of the little dinghies that, that people were getting on.
Lifeboats.
Some people were, not able to get on them. So you kind of can sit in there and you can feel like water is going around and they walk you through day of, morning of, these messages went through and it's all on the big screen. It's like nothing I've ever seen. And then there is a virtual reality thing where you can go put the little goggly things on. And we didn't get to do that because, again, this was the day before. But I guess it's like you're going down to see the wreckage.
Oh, really?
Feels like you're going all the way down. So we were going back for that for sure. My husband, I was telling him last night, he goes, no, I want to do that.
Right.
I said, no, they said it's so cool. The kids got to write letters. There's these things that show how many people from first class, second, and third class got on which boats, which lifeboat. How many people made it from each? How many people did not make it? All of their names. What the life jackets looked like, a real life jacket. Some things were replicas, some things were real. It truly was a cool, look into something that people are going to talk about forever. It's a huge piece of history.
Right.
And I think you should see it. I know it's just here for a limited time because it goes to different cities throughout the year, even in different countries. But it's called Titanic, an immersive voyage. You buy tickets and then you set up the time. There wasn't anybody there because it was a preview.
Right.
It took us maybe 45 minutes or so to really soak everything in. I'd say you'd want to give yourself at least an hour. And then there's a little gift shop out there. And guys, we're such geeks. We're looking, I'm like, River's like, I have that, I have that, I have that, I have that.
Oh my God.